Okay.
Hi guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's another day, another dollar. Guys, right now we are here in the state of North Carolina and this is one of the welcome center. So and the state capital of North Carolina is Raleigh. So enjoy watching. Thank you. So guys, this is the place. This is what it looks like. It's all nature, and me and my travel buddy gonna show you around. The place is so cool. There's a lot of trees.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Yes.
Beautiful woods. That's in the morning with birds all over the place.
You can see all the dry leaves.
Yeah, you're not going to be quiet walking through this place.
Yeah. This is the place where all the tourists will stop.
These are some tall trees. Beautiful.
Mm-hmm. This one thing I like in the US. They never cut their trees, my love, no.
I wouldn't say that, but we have a lot of protected land.
Yeah, this is what you call the protective
Well,
land.
yes, this is state property. These
State.
trees will always have a good life.
And also like one state now I think it was in Georgia now. They will cut their trees, but they have also tree planting.
They have tree farms.
Mm-hmm. This is their picnic table.
A lot of trees haven't even begun. Some have started changing, and then there's some that haven't even started.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of picnic areas here.
Mm-hmm. It's nice.
You want to
Look at these
walk over
people,
towards
like-
the welcome center now?
Mm.
We have flowers up there.
Maoro dyan niya ang mga tao diri.
A lot of states spend a lot of money on particularly on the welcome center. As you notice the difference, this is a lot different than just a regular rest area.
Oh yeah, because it's mostly all the tourists, right? We'll get all the
This is a welcome center. You can come in here and get brochures on the state. You know, there's a squirrel.
Look at the squirrels! Look at the squirrels! Look at the squirrels!
Believe me, you don't have problems finding things to eat around here.
Yeah.
But no, they spend a lot more money on these places because they want you to feel welcome. Number one, they want you to say, "Wow, this is a nice place."
Yep.
And like I said, you can go inside and get brochures on things to do in North Carolina.
Yeah, all the information.
Sites, the
All the
historical
information you wanted to know about the state. This is the place, guys. This is the
sites. Welcome to North Carolina.
See, welcome. Are we going to go here in this side or?
You want to? Those are restrooms over here. This is where you find all your travel brochures.
Yeah, travel brochures. All the travel brochures, guys, are free.
Because at the time of year, there's not a lot of flowers right now.
Yeah.
North Carolina's probably seen some temperatures already in the 30s at night.
Wow. 30s?
Yeah. This is the northern part of North Carolina. Flowers over there, yellow ones.
Kani ko na pa nis Pilipinas panglarot na nito.
Well, they're big ones too. They eat good.
We got a lot of pecans here.
He's looking right at us.
You can even go. It's right. They're right there.
They're nicknamed tree rats.
Tree rats.
Yeah, they're rodents. And they can be trouble. They like to chew through my mama's screen on the porch and try to She used to keep her bird seat out on the back porch. She had to bring it in because the squirrels were chewing through the screen and coming in and breaking into her bird seat.
We're just enjoying to our walk.
Do you want to go? Do you want to go take a picture in the front there over there?
Yeah.
Where it said "Welcome to North Carolina."
All the leaves from the tree starts to fall for the fall season, and then winter.
You even got like multiple satellite dishes here.
Oh yeah, are those satellites?
Yeah, those are satellite dishes. A little odd. I guess that's their maintenance buildings down there. They probably have lawn, all their lawn maintenance equipment there. And I see a dumpster too. I guess the trash man got to come in, go down that drive, go collect the trash. You really took care of that property.
The place is really cool.
That is an absolutely beautiful tree. Look at the canopy in these trees. How much shade they provide. Wow. I hope we can have a piece of property with trees like this on it.
They try to form the flower with N and say it means North Carolina.
Okay.
Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy watching my vlog, and don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. Have a wonderful weekend everyone.